Hi, today we are seeing in this video the one stock is giving for the in 5 years during Faraday's good returns. The stock is giving for the 5,690% is returns giving in during 5 years period. The stock name is the TTI Enterprise. TTI Enterprise, that stock business sector is the consumer finance. I think in last two to 3 months is the finance sector business, all business sector, all business is going for the good profits, making for the big profits, because so many of stocks is giving for the more than 30%, some of the stocks 100%, some of the stocks is 60, 40, 50, like this much of returns is giving last 1 year, last 1 month, sorry, last 1 month, but so like this business sector TTI Enterprise, this business also giving for the good returns. In 1 year before, the 1 year before, sorry, in 5 years before, that share price is the 3 rupees 33 paisa, 3 rupees 33 3 rupees 33 paisa to you are buying for the 10,000 shares. Your 10,000 shares, your investment is the 33,300 rupees. 33,300 rupees you were invested in 5 years before. Now present share price is the 42 rupees 30 paisa. 42 rupees to 42 rupees 30 paisa, you are multiplying for the 10,000 shares, it becomes for the 4,23,000. It around almost is giving for the more than 12 times return is giving your investment money into. So that is the power of the stock market. Just you are invested in your money is the 33,300 rupees, yeah, but you are getting returns for the more than 12 times. This small amount you are investing in, you are starting from the you are starting for the business, this much of returns is to get for the difficult, because that you are not working here, just you are analyzing, just you are analyzing, but you have to hear anyone, not only in the making of the money, anyone to get success, anyone to have to reach, anyone to give, anyone you want, for that you have to wait, because patience is important. Without patience you can't do anything in the world, you can't get anything, you can't do success for the anything, but because patience is the most valuable word in the world. There is the patience patience is important. You have to wait for the right time. The patience is important. The word most valuable word is the patience, because we can't do anything, but you have to wait the right time. You have to do work hard to that end of the right time. When is the right time is come, you have to wait that is the power of the stock market. And in the stock market is in the stock market is similar to the business is to everyone is not making for the every day is making big profits. Some of the times he hits to reach for them, reach to get for the acquire customers, to expand the business, to wait for the right time. So that is the business. So when business is making for the profits, the stock's price is also growing high. So that is the that is so business is going the stock market is similar to the business. So you also invest in the money in stock markets and making money. Once you will start business, otherwise you have to make money in the invest money in the stock markets, because here you have to wait for the right time. The assets you can't work, you have to invest money, you have to wait for the patience important, but you have to wait for the long time, hold for the long time stocks and get for the big returns. Every day, every year is 100% return, 50 to 100% the returns, definitely 70% of stocks is giving. So invest in the money, but you have to research. Knowledge is important. You have to anything also, you have to make money, you have to get success in your goals, in your dreams. You have to success your dreams, you have to get for the success. You have to knowledge is important. Any sector, which sector you have, which sector you want for the get success, and what's your dream of that. You have to that how much of knowledge is important, how much of knowledge you have to reach that place. And so more knowledge is important, because that any problem, any situation you can't do for, you can't easily, you can't handle for easy. So that's why. So that's it. So learn for the stock market, stock markets. How is your surrounding is going on, which products, which business are going well, and which product the public are using, which publics are using, for which product is which product has more using, and you have to analyze for everything and then invest in the money. And because without learning, without analyzing, don't invest money, because you are losing for the money. Today is the earning of money is too very difficult. So that's why don't lose money. Okay, buy for the stock stocks and small proportion of money into small proportion of invest into penny stocks to research and business sectors is going on profit, how much is going, what is the balance sheet and how the all analyze for everything and then invest. So this is the stock market, and you have any doubt, do in comment. I will try to clear your doubts, and how to buy for shares and how to which is the friendly user of the app. You will ask, and you will I think Grow app is the best because that is the friendly, and beginners are easy to learn for the share markets and how to buy and how to buy our shares and how to sell shares, because that user friendly is very easy. So that's why. So you are a beginner, investor, invest create Demat account and Grow app. That's the a good app because that friendly is user very easy. So that's why. So in front of videos also more stocks giving returns about videos are coming for in this channel. Do subscribe for this, and thank you for watching this video.